Today, I F it up by asking my GF why she was feeling sad. This happened yesterday and it's still cracking me up. About 5 months ago, I met this girl through a mutual friend. Initially, she added me on social media, and after chatting for a bit, we swapped numbers. Roughly a week later, we went on our first date, and it went pretty smoothly. Then we started dating. We would meet up once or twice a week and do things together. We were doing things that normal couples do. Sometimes she would come over to my place and stay for a day or two. So around 2 weeks ago, she said she wasn't feeling okay and she needed some time alone. I said sure and didn't really say anything. Yesterday she messaged me and we chatted for a while. She mentioned that she was feeling better now. Curious, I asked her why she wasn't feeling okay in the first place. And she revealed that she had recently broken up with her boyfriend. Turns out, she had a boyfriend even when she started dating me.